Thank you for joining, and welcome to another quick tip from ThatXpression Fashion. Today I want to discuss shipping. It sounds small to some of you out there, but it is a very key element in this whole overall process of getting our product to your doorstep. So on any of our sales channels, make sure you double check, triple check all your information before hitting that submit button, because when you do that, the information is ported over into our labeling and our shipping system, and from there a label is applied to your product and it is shipped to your doorstep. You want to make sure everything is accurate, include all symbols that's required for your address, so we can prevent any return to senders, because that comes with a fee to get that process through the system and back out to you. So make sure you pay attention to when you're filling out your forms, putting your shipping information, your credit card information, your billing information, all that stuff that you have when you're going through the process. Make sure it's accurate. Let somebody else take a quick look at it before you hit the submit button, and everything will be everything. So just a quick tip from ThatXpression Fashion. Until next time, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. For more information, check the page out. ThatXpression Fashion, 2 Fist Up, train hard to take over, only at ThatXpression.com.